Hello. Ah. Hello, Hime. What's up? Hello, gang. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good day, Hime. She didn't say hi. Hello, Hime! There, are you happy? Hello. Hello. Привет, comrades. Today, we are going to relive one of my worst memories. We are going to be doing IB higher level chemistry. Why, you may ask? I hate myself, so why not? I don't know if any of you guys... Have any of you actually done IB? Wait, I'm gonna put a poll in the chat, actually. I want to see how many of you have actually done IB before. Are you a victim of IB? My condolences. Count your... Alright. Thank you!
Somi, it's time to cook. Messenger.
Thank you, thank you. What is IB, you may ask? IB stands for the International Baccalaureate, which is basically, in layman terms, another version of AP. It's kind of like, it's similar to what you guys have called AP. I kind of want to see. If you voted yes, I'm so sorry. You shall henceforth be entitled to free therapy for the rest of your life. Okay. But anyways, let me move my chat over here real quick on my screen so I can see everything. Yes. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing higher level chemistry. So, let's do multiple choice first. Let's just jump straight into it. I genuinely don't know what I don't know what you guys expected, okay? So I was talking about my exams before, and then one of you was like, "Oh, wouldn't it be so cool if you stream like if you did like study streams? I think that'd be very cool. Like even though you're not in school, like you're not in high school anymore, it'd be pretty fun to see like that stuff." And some of you like ate that shit up. So I was like, okay, you know what? Why not? Let me make it bigger so you can see. Damn. Alright. No lab, how you found... There actually is a lab paper that you have to do. It's called the IA, internal assessment. Where you basically just pull some bullshit out of your ass. I don't fucking know, okay? Well, fuck it, we ball. Today we ball. We are balling. Let me change it to Hime Pink. What's my color code? FFYPC. I think that's my color code. If not, close enough. He polls for no. It's too much effort to do a poll. I think at this point we just fucking do the paper, you know. And then we'll go over it with the mark scheme. Wow, if I was actually good at chemistry, this would be I would be like capitalizing on this. I should do like study streams to help you guys pass your theoretical exams. Yeah, there's 40 questions in the was it 40? I think it's 40. There's 40 questions in the multiple choice. Can you walk us through solution? If I can remember. If I can remember. If not, fear not. I have a very helpful resource here. IBDP HL chemistry. Let's fucking go. Alright. Which diagram represents a heterogeneous mixture? So let's dissect this a bit, okay? What year's work? This is the earliest I can find on... I used to use a site called Papa Cambridge to find all my past papers, and this site has 2019 at the latest. Asa-san, irasshai. Hello. Utata Nation. Welcome. This is stoichiometry. Fuck yeah, it has stoichiometry. It has everything. It's everything. Okay. お配信して、お疲れ様でした。今日はね、what's chemistry? 試験の練習しています。This question is about whether you can read Latin. Okay, heterogeneous. Hold on, I don't like this pen. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it to a thicker pen. Yeah, fuck yeah. Okay. First of all, heterogeneous. That means there's two types, right? There's two types. Just answer correctly. Okay, so there's two types of what do you call it? Two types of molecules here. So when you have a mixture, that means that the different things, like these are different molecules, okay? The different molecules, they're not bonded to each other. They're not bonded to each other. So we can already rule out B, because you can see this type and this type are bonded together. They're sticking together, so it can't be that type. And it says a mixture. Well, this is clearly not a mixture because it's the same type of molecule, right? Here we're left between D and A. Now, this is not bonded together, yeah? D would be a homogeneous mixture because you would have basically like the same type. It's one substance of a mixture. So therefore, the only answer left would be A. Wow, so smart. There's one of those papers that AA. Dude, honestly, I don't know how they even choose these. That looks more solid with a regular arrangement. Yeah, I mean, in reality, it wouldn't be arranged like this if the molecule is that small, because, you know. IB flashbacks, you're welcome. Alright, here we go. Stoichiometry. I don't have my exam calculator anymore, but I think, was it paper 1 that was non-calc? Or is that for math? I don't remember. Time to pull out a piece of paper. Well, shit. What volume of carbon dioxide can be obtained by reacting 1 mole of methane with 1 mole of oxygen? That is a mole, right? I think that's a mole. This is not okay. Okay, wait. Here, luckily for you, we have some very useful notes here. All right, okay. So stoichiometry. Let's go look at the PowerPoint, shall we? Let's look at the PowerPoint. God damn, first question. Shit, never mind. I can't open it. My guess would be C. I don't know if it's C. Decimeter cube. That's a mole, right? No, it's a PowerPoint, but then that means I'll have to open Microsoft PowerPoint, whatever. Okay, so we have 1 mole of methane, and we have 2 here. So decimeter cube. So oh my god, it's been a long time since I've done any of these as well. We're gonna have to convert this. We have to convert this to something, I think. We have to convert this. Okay. How do I open a fucking PowerPoint, bro? What am I reading? Chemistry. Convert to weight in mole. Yeah. So we have to convert this to moles, yeah. So that's decimeter cube to what was it? 6.3 times 10 to the power 23. So DM3, 2 moles. Ah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right, perfect. Okay, so we have we have one. Oh my god, so me just jumped. Okay, so we have one of this. We have two of this. Okay. So actually wait. Isn't it just 1 divided by 2 then? Because they're asking how. Okay, so when we react theoretically 1 mole of methane with 2 moles of oxygen, we get 1 of carbon dioxide. So if we react it with 2, that means we get half a mole of. It should be A, right? It's already balanced. They usually give it to us balanced if it's like this. Like if they want us to balance it, they'll ask us. So it should be A. Volume. If they don't specify the temperature, you can just assume that it's what is it called? Lab conditions. It should be just A, I think. Is it a good Twitch stream for predictions? I don't know, maybe I should have done it on Twitch, but you know what? Fuck it, we ball. Forgot all this, me too. What is the empirical formula of a hydrocarbon with 75% carbon and 25% hydrogen by mass? Okay, so hydrocarbon, it's in the name. You have hydrogen and you have carbon. So it's basically, this is basically orgo, this is organic chemistry. 75% carbon and 25. So that means it's just a 1-to-3 ratio. So it should just be methane, right? I think it's just methane. Cause then you need, huh? No? A hydrocarbon with 75% carbon. C3H1? Wait. 75% carbon, right? Let's just... It's A, but hydrogen, you can't have one hydrogen. It's the empirical formula, which means that it has to be balanced. By mass. See, these not. Shut up. Empirical is lowest multiple. Is it by mass? Yeah, it says by mass over here. It should be D, right? If it's by mass, yeah. See, you guys are gaslighting me. Sorry, is my big head in the way? Should I put it back here? Okay. Sorry, my giant cabezona is in the way. Okay. Chat is dumb. Don't trust me. Don't trust me. Ground state electron. Okay, wait. We need to pull out the. Where's the formula booklet? Because they have the data booklet. The data booklet. They have a table of the ions, right? Your big head is gaslighting me. I'm sorry. my giant fucking head. Oh, I missed this page. Wow, I miss seeing this page. Crazy. Okay. See, look, you get a formula booklet that you can use in exams. Yippee! A handy dandy. Not only do we have a handy dandy periodic table, but we have it in multiple forms. Let me flip it around. So we have just the normal periodic table with relative atomic mass, melting boiling points. I think this one is the one we're looking for, right? Electron configuration. Oh my god, I fucking remember this. The SD whatever's. There was like a stupid rule that you... Wasn't it like a stupid rule that you can't have like you were supposed to have something like S1D5 or something like that. Why would you miss this? I don't know. I feel a strange sense of camaraderie whenever I see this page. Yeah, electron orbitals. Is calculus next stream? You want me to do calculus? I was thinking of doing biology next. I was thinking of doing biology, I'm not gonna lie. Miss High School Physics and Chem. Yeah, okay. Bio is not real science. Bio feels more like a humanity sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. What did I say it was? Chromium. Okay, so... Let's look at the... Shit, what's it called? Ion... Is it the ionic? Oh, okay. Electron configuration chart. I can't fucking spell. This thing. 懐かしい. So wasn't it like you go S, so it was like 1S and then P. Yeah. S and then P and then D and then F. Although we never really went up to F. I don't think we went up to F ever. Rate yourself. There are other stream options like Genshin. Fun fact, I was just playing Genshin before the stream actually. Let's yeah, it was something like this. Something like this. This is the cheat sheet. This is our cheat sheet, okay? So Chromium would be... Okay. 1S1, 1S2, right? Yes. And then 2S1. Fuck. Okay, it starts on P there. It starts on P. Okay. 1S1. 1S1 over here. Can you see my mouse? 1S1. 1S2. 2S1. 2S2. 2P1 to 2P6. 3S1. 3S2. 4S1. 4S2. 4D1. D2. D3. D... Yeah, there's some stupid fucking... What was it? Vesper theory. 3D... What did I say it was? Yeah, you have to skip 4. You have to skip 4 because the energy wasn't in, like... something stupid about the energy. How did my younger self do this? I don't know. I don't know how I did this. I don't know how I passed my exams. I think I made it out with a 6 in chemistry. The mid-levels weren't stable. Okay, so D1, D2, D3. It should be D... What are the options? You had to knock it back 1. And then give it a 5, right? So I think it should be C. It should be C, right? Okay, 3D6 is not... Let's try and rule it out. Okay, it's not this. It's not this. And there was that stupid rule, so it has to be... I think it's C. I think it's C. Because, D1, D2, D3. This would have been D4, like S2 D4, but you're not allowed to have that for some fucking reason. S6 is the grades in IB go from 1 to 1 to 7. Make a poll of ABC. I'm too lazy, dude. There's so many options. I feel like it's C. Okay, this one maybe, but there was some stupid rule when you reach 4. A woman eats the wrong apple, and now this has to exist. Is this chem or D&D? No, you go to chemistry, you roll a nat 20. That's pretty good. I tried so hard for chemistry because chem was really hard for me. It never came naturally to me. My best subject in school was English, I think. English and then environmental studies. S layer needs to, yeah, it needs to be filled, but it would normally be in D4 because this is the 4th position. But because of some dumbass fucking rule, valence electrons are unstable and wouldn't work together. So you have to knock one off from the S and you add one on to the D. That sounds so weird. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Where is it? First ionization energy. Love that for me. Wrong hole. Which element is represented by the first 8 successive ionization energies on it? So I remember we had to like memorize the trends for the ionization energies. I think let's go look at the formula booklet. So the first ionization energy is here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Can't see shit. So the trend is we started rather low until group 6, and then we shot up at 7 and 8. I feel like that's which element? Wait, aren't these like the individual elements? Oh, this is just the first. Fuck. Okay, then we have to put our thinking caps on, and because they made us memorize like the trends of each group, right? Each group. So I think it was okay. This one goes like group 1 and group 2 goes like exponentially up. So like it gets more and more reactive as you go down. But for these ones, they get less and less reactive as you go down the period. Which element is represented by the first 8 successive ionization on? So if it's quite low at the start, I'm guessing it would be like somewhere in the middle, like from group 3 to 5. Jumps up. I don't remember anything on jumps off on 7 and 8. I'm not gonna lie. What means IB? It's a type of exam. Metal. I feel like it's not a metal because a metal would have a metal would have like a way higher trend, right? Calcium? Calcium's not on this. Calcium... No, calcium's in group 2. Too late for my brain to be working right now. Got 4 answers to this. Okay, so I don't think... It's definitely not argon. Argon's in group 7 or 8, I've got. Group 8. So it gets less That jumps to 6th to 7th. Yeah, there's a huge jump here. The 7th electron. You're right. We can think of it with valence electrons. So it takes a lot of energy to remove the 6th, to remove the 7th one, meaning that this would be in a new valence shell. So like I can't fucking draw a circle. Oh, there you go. That's a good enough circle. So let's say we remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relatively low, and then suddenly a jump. So yeah, it would be. Should be sulfur then, I think. So it would be B? Question mark? I don't know. You know, we'll come back to it when we look at the mark scheme. Naruhodon. Okay, so simple explanation. Think of it like let's see. How did my teacher give the anecdote? It was something like if you guys were holding hands in a circle, let's say like this is like one clique. This is one clique at school. This is like the jocks. This is the chads, okay? So you're trying to convince people to go to a party. I think that was what they used. You're trying to convince people to go to your event. And it's easier to convince people who are in the same circle, aka the same electron valence shell. But it would be harder to convince one person from one friend group and another friend group, which is why you need more energy to put it. And ionization energy basically means the energy needed to remove an electron from its outer valence shell. So the giant jump here means that you need to put more energy into taking this person out from the inner circle. So therefore, just based on that, because the elements in the periodic table are organized by basically how many valence electrons they have in their outer shell, you can deduce from this graph where your element is on the periodic table by how many jocks you have to remove from the outside. I think that's the best way I can explain it. Let me hope that helps. Let me know if that makes sense. Yeah, cause the dude is an introvert. Yeah. Like you have the extroverts on the outside, and then you have the introverts on the inside. So you need more energy. Trying to escape the friend zone. Okay, what the fuck is this? Alright, valence electrons. Well, that's what we were talking about earlier. So we should be able to figure it out, right? Bismuth. I have never heard of bismuth in my life. Bi. The fuck is... Am I blind? Am I blind? Oh, it's here, okay. It's in group 15. What were they asking? Which describes an atom of bismuth? No, okay. So the number of valence electrons, if it's in group 15, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 on the outside. So it can't be A or D. Now I don't fucking remember what this means. So I'm gonna see if the data booklet can help me any. This is why the data booklet is my best friend, okay? Let's Where is it? Here. So other charts about principal energy. I don't even fucking remember what that means, bro. When in doubt, pick C. When in doubt, pick C. Actually, yeah, we haven't. Oh no, we've had one C. Okay, we've mostly. I feel like we mostly have A's. You know what, let's just go with C. Fuck it, C. I think this is kind of how I would do it in the exam as well. Like, if I'm really not sure, or if I really forget something, I'll just see like what they put before. Is it the number of rings Bismuth? Actually, wait, you might be onto something here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're in the 6th row. Okay, that's looking promising. That's looking promising. It's on the 6th row. It's on the 6th row. So it should be 6, right? Probably the S or oh, okay, I think you're right. I think you're right. Don't resort to this. At least I'm not like taking a stab in the dark, okay? Alright. Which series represents atoms in order of decreasing atomic radius? So that's like the basically we sort them from many rings to less rings. Bro, why the fuck did why is my model freezing again? VTube Studio, please. Okay, hold on. Let me try and fix this. Oh, did you guys see my post today? Did you see my post? Where I gave you the middle finger. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. So I got a new hand tracker for my 3D model. I'm still waiting for the harness to come. I need to be able to put it on my chest, I think, or like hang it from my neck. Let me show you for those that might have missed it. $1 for a cuss jar. No, fuck you. Fuck you. This one. I can do that now. I can now waggle my fingers. I can still kind of use it. I can kind of use it, but I have to like hold it up. And if I'm doing stuff with my hands, like usually I have my hand on my keyboard, right? So I can't really use it. それも関係ねえでしょ I just have to wait for Amazon to ship my shit. Looks like it'll go hard in the shirt. You're right. Alright, anyways, where were we? Decreasing atomic radius. So let's take a look at the first one. What was it? Nitrogen, carbon, beryllium, magnesium. Where is it? N, C. So I don't think. That wouldn't be right because they're on. First of all, these three are on the same. They're on the same. They're on the same orbital ring. So, and this one's the difference. And they wanted decreasing, which means big to small. So it's not A. So it's not A. Let's look at this one. Magnesium, nitrogen, calcium. So I think it should. This would be the right one, technically. So let's put a question mark on this one for now. To be or not to be. Beryllium. This is in ascending order. This is in ascending order. So, and this one they put that one at the last. Okay. It's before. It's in group 2. Here we go. So basically they're asking us to order it from like, remember what we were talking about the electron shells. So from basically more electrons in the outer in the outer ring than to the list. So it should be B. I believe it should be B. We believe. we believe. Which electrons are removed from... Oh, fuck, I fucking hate metals. I hate metals! Everything in the middle here, I hate you. Just know that I hate you. We believe... No! Don't leave! No! Don't leave! Which electrons are removed from iron to form iron 2? Shit. Silver transition metals, man. Okay. So where is iron? Fe. So that's D1, D2, D3, D5, D5, D6. So that would be what is it? 4s to D6. Hello, Sami. Correct me if I'm wrong. I might be wrong actually. Let me check the... Oh, hello! She flopped onto the... 3d6. You said iron? What am I supposed to say? Iran? Stinky. Why would I do that? Now, why would I do that? Why are you so mean? Iron? 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 But iron... That's iron. That's iron. That's an iron. It's iron, right? Iron. Huh? Honey? Iron. 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 I earn $5 billion Himelian. Always. Every single day. 10, 10, 10, 20s on my titties, bitch. Iron. 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 I didn't graduate high school. Come on, guys. Maybe I should put like I should put like exam hall ambience. I wonder if that's a thing. Does that exist? Someone's looking at me like, what the fuck are you talking about? Okay, anyways. Anyway, irony is pronounced irony, and ironic is pronounced ironic. Ironic. Ionic. Bleh. Bleh. What is your native language? Chinese. 早上好，中国. Okay. Which electrons are removed from... What the fuck is iron 2? What the fuck is iron 2? わからん. Fe plus 2? Wait, but then wouldn't you be adding... You'd be adding... Is the... Something like that, right? I don't remember if it was plus 2 or 2 plus. Iron in the early axis. Adding would be... Oh, okay. Iron 2 reminds... Oxidation! Oxidation. More iron in your... Okay. So if you're ionizing something, that means you're moving electrons. So it would be... If we remove 2, this would be 4. But we're not allowed to have D4. So it would be 4s... 1, 3, D5 again, right? Like it'd be the same as what was it, chromium or whatever? So it would be C? Oil rig, oh my god, fucking oil rig. Wait, does this thing still apply to ionization? I cannot remember. Okay, you know what? Fuck it, we ball. I got too invested in my berry. Okay. Organic chemistry. What is the order of increasing boiling point? Dude, what the fuck is it? Okay. This is... So... I just see a lot of cock. Choo-choo. Me when I'm at my own boiling point. Okay, let's write these out in empirical form. So this would be C for... Actually, this pen is a bit too thick. I'm gonna... C for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H10. Need to zoom in a bit more so I can write. Oh, fuck, man. Okay. So we gotta expand the brackets. This is like math now. Right? Yo, I don't remember how to do this shit. C2 H Okay, let's expand this first. So we have CO plus CH plus OH plus H2. Is that how it works? Is that how it'd be easier to draw the structures? So like actually I should draw a bit better. CH3 and then CH. Fuck. Yeah, I don't think that's how it works. I don't think that's how it works. I think it was like so a carbon has to have 4 bonds. It has to have 4 bonds. And it has to be bonded to another carbon. So that's a CH3. Was that how it works? The OH is attached. Yeah. So it should be like this, right? It likes to have 4 bonds. Yeah, some stupid fucking. Okay. And then let's draw. Okay, let's draw each one out. So the first one, what was it? C, and there was CH3. Oh shit! In my pen. CH3. CH2. This is just your generic hydrocarbon. Nothing special. Nothing special. Butane. You're right, what was it? Methane... something... Butane, propane, pentane... Propane was 3, right? So, methane, propane, butane, pentane... I think pentane was all we ever got up to. Was there one more? I don't remember. Ethane. Ethane and methane. Okay, so that's the first one. Second one is there. Now we draw the cock. We draw the cock. Why is there just one O? Oh, is this CO? Cooch? Cooch? CO the Oh, you're right. It's a double bond. And the last one, CH3 X3 CO2. You can't have two double bonds though. Wait. Wait, why am I deleting this? Carboxyl group? Was it that? That's a carboxyl, right? I don't know. Wait, but where's the second one? Wait, where's the wait. What? Where's the where'd? Yeah, me too, Somi. What the fuck? America, explain. I eat it. Okay, well, increasing boiling point means that you need to put more energy into dissolving the bonds. Add an O to that H. Oh, you're right. You're right. So it's like, is this? Yeah? I'm used to seeing as coo. 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 It sounds like a pigeon. Coo. Hydrogen bonding. I drank H2O2. Yeah, H2O is so good they had to make a H2O2. Which one is a higher boiling point? I couldn't fucking tell you. I'm gonna take a stab at the dark and say that this has the lowest boiling point because they're all single bonded. Actually, wait. Let's look at that. So clearly, there is an imposter among us. There is one that's not quite like the others. So it can't be C because otherwise they would have made things too easy if it was C. Hear me out, okay? Hear me out. This is how they taught us to do things if we didn't know the answer. So this clearly has the lowest one because there's three of them. There's three of them. There's no way they would let this be the answer because it would be too easy to single it out. Let's look at the other ones. So these two are similar, so it can't be A. It can't be A because they have these two. So now it's just between which one has the higher boiling points between Ku. What was it? Not this one. Not this one. It's just whichever one has the higher boiling point between these. Oh, no. It's not this one and not this one. So whichever one has a higher boiling point. And this one has a double bond. So I'm gonna assume that this is the one. This is gonna be the one with the highest boiling point. So it's gotta be B. It's gotta be B. Alright? Hear me out, okay? Hear me out. Double bonds don't affect the boiling point? So true, bestie. Anyways, let's not think about that. You know, if we were in an exam, time would be of the essence. time would be of the essence, cause we gotta get. I think paper 1 was 45 minutes. We're supposed to finish all 40 questions in 45 minutes. How much time has passed? We've already spent like an hour, so we would have fucked up already. we would have made it a question 9. Okay, next. the 유형이 니꺼니꺼니. So nickel is Ni, so it's not nitrogen. What the fuck? Okay, we'll come back to this one because I don't remember shit about this. Which combination corresponds to a strong metallic bond? So, a strong metallic bond is 나르호도. 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 Oh my god. This shit. Covalent bonds. I remember we had to draw these. We had to draw these as like weird ass. Something like that. It looked like 2 pairs of ball sacks. Two great. You got 2 great balls. So, a strong metallic bond would mean that you need more energy to break the bonds in the valence shell, yeah? So if it's smaller, like, again, going back to the friend group analogy, you would need to put more effort to break apart a tightly knit friend group, right? Like if everyone is besties, we got no beef, we all would trust each other with our lives. It would take more than just like a simple argument to break you up, right? To break this friend group up, right? So that's a tight-knit friend group, so it should be small. So it's not these. Not gonna allow it. This is talking about ionic bonds. Yes, but we're also I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to put it in terms that I can understand. Charge on a metal ion. I'm gonna be honest, Chief. I don't fucking know. I don't remember this. She needs to lay in. I need it in Genshin terms. If you have, okay, let me put this in Genshin terms. If you have, which team does more damage? A team that I don't know how to put it in Genshin terms actually. When you use Nahida to link bonds. Actually, wait, that's not bad. When you use Nahida to link bonds, if the enemies are if the enemies come in waves, like they come they take more time to spawn between waves, then you would do less damage. But if they all spawn at once, if they're all close together, then you would be able to link them all together. So you would be able to do more dendro damage. I don't play Genshin. Can you put it in Resident Evil terms? When you throw a grenade at the cult members, at the villagers, would it do more damage? Would it hurt more of them? Would it kill more of them if they were packed closely together, or if they were spread widely apart? No, explain in Fortnite. That's basically the same thing. That's the same thing. Okay, shit. Anyways. Can you explain in general chemistry terms? That's what I'm trying to understand, bro. Now explain it in Dredge terms. Dredge is not an FPS though. I don't fucking know. Can you explain child's quadratic scaling? You know, it's really funny because I have child at... I triple crown child. I have his signature weapon and his best in slot. But I actually have never played him. I don't play him at all. Explain it in lawn mowing terms. When you run over a patch of flowers, would it take you more time, therefore more energy, to run over flowers that are spread out across the entire yard, or would it take you more less energy to run across flowers that are concentrated in one circle? Okay. I'm just gonna fucking wing it and say, you know, bigger is better, right? Size matters. So, let's just fucking wing it. Which species has the localized... Fuck you, man! Are these the localized electrons? I think so. I don't know. I don't know, man. Like, Alexa, turn on desk.
Okay.
Yippee! Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. They're asking for... Oh, Hyunhex, thank you! Alexa, stop.
After exams are done and you talk with your friends, and you have a different answer.
Yeah, they're like, I got 3! I got 5! And then you, with like... you had like 276. Okay, anyways, hear me out, hear me out. They're asking for the localized electrons. Electrons. So, this has one delocalized electron. But this has 2. So therefore, the answer is D. Show dish. Okay. Hear me, just hear me out, right? And also, isn't this an anion? This is or something like in a mixture of like what was it? The fucking what's that thing where you use ionization to like coat something in metal? What's that fucking process called? Why is your bad reasoning? Wait, that's right? Wait, that's right? Electrolysis, yeah. I just remember something like that. Redox, yeah. Okay, yeah, easy, bro, easy. I'm so fucking smart. Let's go. I can already smell the 7. Alright. How many carbon atoms are sp3, sp2, and sp... Oh my god, wait! I just had a war flashback. I vaguely remember these names. I remember these names. You had to... This was the one where they made us draw ball sacks! They made us draw ball sacks! SP hybridization. Yeah, they made us drop ball sacks. It was like some stupid fucking reasoning, like something like all of these are a specific angle away from each other, and triple bonded is SP. I think, yeah, it went like in an opposite direction, right? Like this is a single bond, this is a double bond, and that's a triple bond. So how many carbon atoms are... Okay, so we've got... Okay, so SP. Let's go for single bond first, okay? Single bond. We have 1. Or should we draw out the whole thing first? Yeah, I just want to draw out the whole thing. Let me erase my ball sacks real quick. 𝐃𝐨𝐧𝐬. Okay, so C. Or I guess it would just be this, right? Because it's a triple bond. C. C. Oh, I love drawing hydrocarbons. H2 again. And then C. Oh, I guess I should draw it like... I should draw like this. There we go. I know nothing about chemistry, so I'm assuming you're acing this. Dude, we are getting 100%. Okay, we're so passing this. We're so passing. Okay, let's count the bonds. So the amount of single bonds we have, let's highlight them. 1, or I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, no, they're asking for the how many carbon atoms. Okay, so we have 1, this is all single bonds. 2, also all single bonds. Not this, not you. You know that meme is like, it was like pictures in like 3x3 grid, and it was like, thank you for always being there for us, and then the middle picture is like, not you. So we have 3. We have 3 that are single bonded. 3 bitchless motherfuckers. We have 1. Yes, 1. We have 1 that has 2, so... And there are 2 carbon atoms that are triple bonded. So it has to be this one, right? Oh wait, shit, sorry. It has to be this one, right? Should be A. So we have 3 single bonds, 1 double bond, and 2 triple bond. Should be A. C? Lost me on this. Okay, let me explain this in... I'm gonna explain this in VTuber terms. I'm gonna explain this in VTuber terms. Hear me out. So, imagine these are... Okay. This is the number of bonds means the number of oshis you have. And each carbon atom, each C over here, is a listener, a viewer, a Himebito, or a VTuber fan. So they're asking you how many VTuber fans in this group, in this I guess, let's say like a friend group, in this friend group, how many carbon atoms each have 1 oshi, 2 oshis, or 3 oshis? So SP3 means you only have 1 kami oshi, which is obviously me. So we count the 𝐒𝐿𝐷𝐿𝐷s by whether they have 1 bond, 2 bonds, or 3 bonds. So there are 3 people with 1 𝐒𝐿𝐷. And there's 1 person with 2 𝐒𝐿𝐷s, with 2 𝐿𝐷s. Fucking cheaters. And there is 2 people, because they share, let's say they share the same 3 𝐿𝐷s. They share the same 3 𝐿𝐷s. That's why they count as 2. Because they both have the same 3 𝐿𝐷s. Why is 3 equal 1? I don't fucking know, okay? Some stupid rule. I'm not, bro. I tried to put it in VTuber terms. This is your territory. What the fuck do you mean, bro? Okay, let's do this again. So this is a group of friends. You can ignore like these things. Ignore all the things. Just look at the carbons. Look at the ones named C. And look at how many lines there are here. These lines equal the number of 𝐿𝐷s that they have. Okay? The number of 𝐿𝐷s that they have. So if you look at these, this one, for example, they only have single lines. They only have single lines. It doesn't matter that they have 4 of them. Okay? It doesn't matter they have 4 single lines. What matters is that they have a single line. They don't have a double line. The single line means that they have 1 𝐿𝐷. Okay? わかる? And this one, sure, they have single lines, but they also have a double line. They have a double line. So it doesn't matter that they have 2 single lines. We don't count them in the single category anymore. Because, like, it's kind of like you can basically, if you have 2 𝐿𝐷s, you also fall into the category of having 1 𝐿𝐷, right? You fall into the category of having a 𝐿𝐷. It's like the circle something like that. I don't know how to explain it to you, but they have 2 lines, therefore they have 2 𝐿𝐷s, okay? Just hear me out. And these dudes, yeah, sets and supersets. Thank you. These dudes. Sure, they have a single line here. They have a single line here. But what matters most is that they have a triple line here, which means they have 3 𝐿𝐷s. So therefore, when we count the amounts, we have 1, 2, 3 that have single 𝐿𝐷s. So that's 3. We have 1 that has 2 𝐿𝐷s, so that's 1. And we have 2 guys that have 2 𝐿𝐷s, so that's 2. So it should be A. And this is just question. I tried so hard. Dude, most of my effort in this was literally just trying to explain it to you. So you better be grateful. Okay. I can't fucking do this. I don't know if we'll make it to the end of this paper, I'm not gonna lie. Unequal masses of X and Y absorbs heat capacity. So this is I've no fucking clue. I'm gonna be honest. I've no fucking clue. Q equals MC delta T. Let's look at our handy little book. Oh, I need to turn my head to the side. What page is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, hold on. Chapter 5. What was in chapter 5? Energetics! Energetics. Okay. God, I don't fucking know. Rearrange the delta t to be the main subject, so delta t equals q over mc. This is specific heat capacity, isn't it? Q is energy. C is the temperature. And M is the mass. So these are equal. C is heat capacity? Oh, delta T is a temperature change. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm stupid. X and Y are the same amount of water, but X expands 5 and X, so X should be half of Y? Oh, respective. Okay, so this rises by 5 and this rises by 10. So delta T is, that's 5, right? So 5 equals Q over MC. And I guess since mass is the same, it's equal, and energy is the same. You know what? I don't fucking know. You guys think it's X should be half of Y? I'ma just trust you on this one. I'm genuinely gonna be honest. I don't fucking know. Alright. Let's do more energetics. What is the enthalpy change of reaction for the following question? What the fuck does enthalpy change of reaction even mean? Oh my god, wait. Wasn't there that... There was that huge cycle. There was that huge cycle that went like up, 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 and then down, down, down. Does anyone remember what that Hess's law? What the fuck is Hess's law, bro? Like entropy, but enthalpy is the amount of energy. Actually, hold on. What? Wait, actually, I kind of remember this. I still remember this. Wow, really doing chemistry? Yes, Malin Lee. Yeah, wasn't it this? Energy change when 1 mole of substance is made from its elements in their standard states. So standard states just means like everything at what was it? Something Kelvin. I don't fucking. Ah! So I did this really elaborate and put a lot of effort in. And when I turned, I got 99. My teacher refused to give me 100 because the only one who's perfect is God. God is not perfect because clearly he created me. That was a mistake on his part. So delta H. 20C in Kelvin, something like that. They should have done a more recent IV paper. I mean, this is the most recent I could find. I'm pretty sure there should be others, but I don't know where it is. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. I am so lost. I don't remember any of this. It's July 14th, SpongeBob. Happy birthday, SpongeBob. I've never watched an episode of SpongeBob in my life. I'm just gonna guess D because we haven't. I don't think we've had we haven't had D in a while. We've only had one D. Two D's. Two D's nuts. Never watched SpongeBob? I don't think I didn't watch Nickelodeon as a kid. I only watched Cartoon Network. Our TV only had Cartoon Network, so I didn't watch SpongeBob. But the Nickelodeon series that I wanted to watch, like Victorious, I would find on YouTube, and they would always be in, like, in a super weird format. Like, they'd be upside down and like in the corner of the screen to avoid copyright. So I would have to turn like my head like all the way to be able to watch an episode of Victorious. Those are the days. It's like, oh, it was pitch. It was like at like 1.25 speed as well. Just have you grab, dude. I was like, I think I was in like 5th grade. I did not know how to do that shit. Which is correct for the reaction? Okay, gas to liquid. Okay, they can't both increase at the same time. Or they can't both decrease at the same time. Gas to liquid enthalpy decreases. So it should be this one? Wait, can they both apply at the same time? I don't fucking know. How's your posture not destroyed? I think I used to, basically the PC used to be next to the couch. So I would turn the screen of the PC towards the couch. And then I would hang off the edge of the couch. So it'd be upside down. And I'd be watching the show like that. Liquid is more together in gas. Yeah. They can both decrease? Okay, well... Enthalpy was... what was it? Enthalpy chemistry definition. Oh my god. Enthalpy IB chemistry division. The amount of heat energy contains... Okay, so the change in enthalpy... Okay. Yeah, no. This shit. This is what I'm talking about. The fucking graph. Like, this entire graph. It goes like up and down and shit. Like, you have to calculate the enthalpy, the ionization energy, electron affinity. Like, you're so funny. Okay. Look at energetics. Look at energetics. Enthalpy of formation. Okay. When 1 mole of a substance is formed, yeah, in their standard states. Blah 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 blah. Endo and XO. Okay. I'm not reading all that shit. I'm happy for you though, or sorry that happened. Let's just say let's just say since you guys said enthalpy decreases, I'm just gonna guess D. D, I think. Yeah, one of you said enthalpy decreases and one of you said entropy decreases. So I'm gonna bank on that and hope that you're right. And if you're not right, you will be executed in the plaza at our earliest convenience. Which equation represents the standard enthalpy of atomization of bromine? Enthalpy of atomization means that it's the opposite of this. It's going from a liquid to a gas. So we can rule these two out. B for bro. Enthalpy of atomization, because can you... I think you can have a half, right? You can have a half of bromine. My intuition is telling me this because this looks weird to me, but I remember you are allowed to have a half. Can entropy ever decrease? Yeah, because entropy is the amount of chaos, right? Like the excess energy. So if you're going from a gas which has more chaos because like they're not bonded together, they're basically fucking around all over the place. You're going from a gas to a liquid. A liquid has more order, so the entropy would decrease. Half is only for calculations. Not yeah, that's what I remember. Entropy is from a Dokamaki. My city now. Isn't the right arrow pointing to the right answer? You mean these? the arrow? Yeah. That's the right answer, bro. I know the answer. Leah, share us your wisdom. Share your wisdom. Oh, Leah of the pool. What is your wisdom? Here, I hand you the mic. I hand you the mic. Pretend I'm pointing the mic at you. Is it A or B? If you answer wrong, a trapdoor will open underneath you, and you will be isekai straight to hell. No pressure. Yeah, no pressure. No pressure. It's A? Okay, Leah says it's A, so it's gotta be A. Oh my god.
Candidates, just a reminder that you cannot leave 15 minutes before the exam ends.
That's actually stupid. I remember you can do that, but not in an exam that's less than an hour. So you're not allowed to leave within the first 45 minutes of exam or the last 15 minutes of exam. So if you have a 45-minute exam, basically you have like you're just straight up not allowed to leave because the 45 minutes ends and then the 15 minutes starts. What's the vaccine policy on? Oh, literally go ahead because I don't remember shit of this. For enthalpy yeah, that's what I'm thinking, right? Because I remember in these, like, you're allowed to have the half. And they're not asking for the final thing yet, right? B for backseat. Oh my god, rate of reactions. Fuck. Which properties can be monitored to determine the rate of the react? Okay, so we have an iron. We have, I don't fucking know what this is called. Copper sulfate? Guys, yeah, no worries. Ksa! Ksa means brat. No, ksogaki means brat. Ksa means shit. Human being was never meant to know. We were never meant to achieve this amount of knowledge. So rate and reaction, let's look at this again. Oh shit, no! My IB Chem. Is rate of reaction still counted as energetics? Actually, you know what? Let's just wing. Okay. I think 17 is C or D. Because change of phase... Haha. phase connect? Connecting phases? Change of phase implies you're doing more than just atomization, which is not what the question is asking for. Specifically for atomization. Wait, earlier this one? They were asking for enthalpy of atomization. Which is, if we look at whatever the fuck that chart was. Where is it? This thing. No, I'm gonna copy the image and I'm gonna put it here. Oh, I can't see shit. Okay, let's look for it. Enthalpy of atomization. So bromine in its usual state is... Imagine you copy pasting this in exam halls. Yeah, let me just whip out my phone. They were so anal about phones as well. I think there was one person, not in my year, but in like an earlier year. They basically got their diploma denied. Like their entire diploma got cancelled because on their very last exam, they had a phone in their pocket. Which I don't understand how they could have. Like, they literally tell you to double check it like so many times. But their entire diploma got like retracted. It was their last exam. It was their final exam. How did you even find out? Because it started ringing. It started ringing in like halfway through the exam, and everyone was just like, "Oh, you done fucked up, boy. You done fucked up." Honestly, oof. Yeah. They had to resit their exams again, like every single one of them. And then they had to... I think they also had to redo, like, their... You know, the non-exam parts? So basically, like, the writing parts, the essays, the internal assessments, presentations. They had to redo all of that. Honestly, if it was me, I would just kill myself. I would have just fucking killed myself. That's gotta suck. Hello, Xiaomi. Hello. Okay, anyways. Actually, let's look for a chart of enthalpy of ionization bromine. Born-Haber cycle. That's what it's called, apparently. Born-Haber cycle. Why does it go straight from a solid? Wait, no, this is not. This is it? Should be this thing. The YouTube, yes, the YouTube tutorials. Something like this. Yeah, it has a half. It has a half. There's a half of bromine. So I'm just gonna assume that Leah was right. I'm gonna assume that Leah was right. Because, of course, why wouldn't Leah be right? Leah knows everything. It's true. Me, I don't know shit. I don't know shit. So I can't help you on this one. I can't fucking help you. Probably hack the answer. That's right. Leah virus. Leah virus. Go away! No! Go away! Go away! That's my drink. Leo doesn't even know why 789. I saw that. I saw that short. She's so funny. She's so funny. Oh, Leah. What a funny little lad. Leah, you mean like yin yang? Leah's who's cool and smart and he. What do you mean? I'm cool. I'm cool and smart too. I'm cool and smart too. I know everything. See, I'm gonna say that. Fuck. Okay, so you definitely need to monitor the change in temperature for the rates of reaction, cause you're adding iron. You're adding iron to copper sulfate. And if I remember correctly, wasn't that the shit that was blue? It was blue, and then you add something to it, and then it oxidizes. Or does it oxidize actually? It has some like shit at the bottom. And then it changes color. I don't know about volume. Cause it's the same thing. There's no gas being released, so it's not gonna decrease in volume. So it should be C. Redox. Redox. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Let's just go with C and hope that we're right. Wow, we're almost at question 20. It took us. It's gonna take us like an hour and 45 minutes, or maybe even 2 hours to get to halfway of this thing. I feel too stupid for this stream. I didn't do any studying prior to the stream. Just saying. So I'm literally I'm relying on you guys and my own half-baked brain cell to remember whatever the fuck these things are. I'm just treating this as Hime ASMR. This... Oh my god. Imagine doing like... past paper ASMR. Past paper ASMR. Your study buddy is cramming for her final exam tomorrow, and at 3 AM. I haven't done any chemistry in 10 years. I haven't done it in a while as well, so don't worry. Okay, which conditions are required for the reaction between two molecules? Okay, it's gotta have proper orientation if it's two molecules. So we can rule A out. I'm guessing it should be a collision as well, right? I forgot what this is. I don't remember what this is, but I think these two are necessary. So can be C. It's either B or D. I don't fucking know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, would be helpful, but E is energy and E is activation. Oh, you're right. You're right. So energy has to be bigger or equal than active. Yeah, that makes sense. So the energy in the reaction has to at least reach the threshold of the activation energy, right? Which is like... There's like some shit like that. So it should be all three. Okay. Yippee! 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 Okay, question 20. We got this. We got this. Which graph is obtained from a first or... Oh my god, I remember having to memorize all of the like the graph trends. Because they don't give you the numbers in paper 1. In paper 2, which is the long answer one, you might have to like work out the rate of reaction and stuff, and then like draw the graph yourself. Do you remember the graphs? No. That's like Google-chan is here to help us. First order reaction graph. Okay. Alright. 0 order, first order, and second. Oh shit, wait, there's 2. Okay, wait, what's the axes? Rate versus concentration. Alright. Rate versus concentration. So first order is just a straight line. It's gotta be B. It's B, right? There we are. It's the same. There we go. So good. Perfect. Proportion. 0 order sounds... Yeah, it does. Alright. We're more than halfway through. Let's keep going. Which is correct for the reaction mechanism shown. Oh my god, I don't remember this. I will answer this one correctly for the wrong reasons. What's the wrong reason? You think I know what a first order actually? What does that even mean? Okay, it literally just says it's linear. The rate varies based on the changes in concentrations of only one of the reactants. Okay, this is slightly ringing a bell. This is ringing a bit of a bell. Anyways, I've no fucking recollection of all this, so I'm just gonna take a stab in the dark and say it's B. No shit, last one was B. Okay, fuck. Let's say A then. We haven't had an A in a bit. You know, ChatGPT, you really want to cheat? Nah, bro. I have you guys. You guys are better than any AI, right? Cause you guys know everything, right? You guys know everything. No, just kidding. I know everything. I know the species on each side and... Yeah, I'm not fucking doing that. I know whatever I can Google. What is... Okay, wait, let's look at the... It's this one, right? Activation energy over... What's RT? Retard? Huh? Let me copy that down first. Wait, is it even that? There's no where's KC? That's exactly what that is. Roasted by formula booklet. Yeah, nah, I don't fuck. Constant? K is the constant. I think K is the constant. But what's KC? K is 10. What was it? 6.22 times 10 to the power 23. Kentucky Fried or Equilibrium. Wait, is that a different one? K isn't K potato. What's the equilibrium I can't fucking spell constant. I can't spell. Oh. Kansas City. Kindergarten child. Killing cats. Oh, I'm sorry. No. She gave me such a weird side eye when I said killing cats. No. Killing cat? Oh. If it's that one, we're fine. Killing cat. Cox gun. Welcome to Himebito. Now get out. equilibrium constant. Okay, I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna take a stab. Okay, let's see. We answered A here, B here, D. Okay, next one is C. It's gotta be C. I am dead. Thank you forever. What is correct for a reaction? A positive change in gives free energy. This name evokes some sort of emotion in me. I don't know if it's a positive emotion or not, but I remember this name somehow, and I'm not liking it. C for correct, C for close enough, exactly. Data booklet, please help us. It's one of these. It's one of these. NFE? What's NFE? No friend experience? Oh, I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with that one. Data booklet really just said you have no friends. Anyways, I think it should be something relating to this, right? Non-fungible E-tokens. There are stones in the glass. It's okay. It's the pot calling the kettle black. Because I too have no friends outside of VTubing. I keep telling you, like, my mom keeps asking me, like, you have friends at school, right? You're making friends, right? You're hanging out with your friends, right? You're not just cooped up in your apartment all the time, right? And I'm like, yeah, I have a lot of friends. I have many friends. I hang out with them like 5 times a week. At 1 PM. For like hours at a time. I have friends. I have a lot of friends. It's getting late. Okay. Have a good night. I hope I didn't put you to sleep. I wonder who this are. Yeah, no, I have friends. I have 30k of them. I have 30,000 of them, bro. Easy. Yeah, you thought I had no friends? Get fucked, nerd. You have any? Yeah, I have female friends. 17% of my audience are female. 17%, mind you. 17 fucking percent. Shout out Devin. Alright, yeah. Okay, yeah, see? I'm struggling with my homework, so my friends are helping me. We're all studying together. Isn't that what you wanted? Beatles friend zone. At least I didn't say you're not my friend. You're just a fan. You're just a viewer watching me. At least I didn't say that, okay? Alright. I think instant friend. What do you mean? Some of my closest friends, some of the friends I trust the most, like Gen 2, I met on the internet. So you take that back. They're my real friends. They're my real friends. I promise you. You take that back. Anyways, I'm gonna say C again. Actually, no, that doesn't make sense. If it's at equilibrium, there wouldn't be a change, right? Actually, it's gotta be something. It's gotta be something to do with this. I'm gonna say B. I don't fucking know. You gotta try your friends, but let's chat clear. Are you my friend? You are my friend. No. No. Irritable bowel. What does this have to do with irritable bowels? Oh, you mean IB? Yeah, we all have IBS. B, because there's two B in Gibbs. You're right, but there's no A or C or D, so it's gotta be B. It's gotta be B. Hime is Hime, exactly. The Hime experience. And also, welcome membership. Welcome. Welcome to Himebito. What does IB stand for? International Baccalaureate. That is fucking not. I don't speak French. Which solution is basic at 25 degrees Celsius? Okay, let's see. Which one? Okay. Hear me out. I'm gonna test my theory. We'll find out really easily who's basic and who's not. Okay. Let's see which one responds. Oh my god! I love this song! Oh my god! Harry Styles! Ah! Okay, it's gotta be B. I'm calling it. It's B. Filter song. We're trying to find the basic bitch, okay? YMCA to O. Oh. It was only like 5 seconds. Surely surely it's not fun to stay at the YMCA yet. Right? Surely. With which do most acids react? Definitely magnesium. What the fuck is that? What? What the fuck is sodium hydrogen carbonate? No. I know what magnesium is. What the fuck is sodium hydrogen carbonate? Can't react to almost anything. Yeah, but I want to see the molecule. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What's the formula? NaCO. Okay. And then calcium sulfate is NaSO3? Three? 4? Sulfate should be... Nachos! Nacho taco chimichanga. Actually, it should be NaSO4 if it's a sulfate. Nacho cheese. Oh, calcium. Sorry. CaSO4. That should be reactive. It has calcium. It has calcium. I don't know about one. Calcium. Hey, how you doing? I'm Morbin. One of them is an imposter. It's time to find out who is the imposter. Who's the imposter? That barely looks like an Among Us anymore. Among Us looks like the answer A? You're right. This looks like the letter A, so therefore it must be the answer A. What is a Lewis acid but not a Bronson oh my god, wait. I'm getting flashbacks. I'm getting flashbacks. Work on drawing booty. I'm sorry, this kind of looks like a ball sack as well. What is IB? IB is an exam. What the fuck is a Lewis acid? Oh my god, no, not this! Lewis acid. Bronze. Lewis, oh my god. Acid-base theory. Arrhenius. I remember this. I remember this name. This name comes to mind. Please Google on stream. I'm using a different browser, so it's fine. So oh my god, what the fuck are you what the fuck are they on? Ah, there we go. Lewis acid. Okay, so Lewis acids can accept an electron pair. So an acid is an electron pair acceptor. So that's the same as a Bronson Lowry. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? The Bronson-Lowry definition of acid bases addresses this problem. In this theory, an acid is a substance that can release a proton. So Bronson-Lewis says that acids can release protons, and Lewis theory says that acids can gain gain electron pair. Okay, all right. Going off of that, let's take a look. Let's take a look. So this is a fucking hydrocarbon. So it's not B. Have fun. Oh my god, thank you. You too. Have fun. AlCO3? The fuck is that, bro? Aluminium? Aluminium chloride? That's an acid? High five because they're polite. Yeah, they told you to have fun. They told you to have fun. Aluminium. I'm sorry, Americans. Aluminum. Aluminum. Where the fuck? Okay. Aluminium. How the fuck do you get aluminum from that? That's like without the I. Aluminum. Why do you spell it with an I but you don't pronounce the I? What the fuck is wrong with you? Aluminum? Aluminium? Get your shit together. You don't spell it. You spell it like... Oh fuck, I'm using a pencil. Shit. You spell it like that? Aluminum? The fuck? Y'all are lazy. Lazy. It's the same with colonel and colonel. How do you get colonel? How do you get colonel from this word? How the fuck do you get colonel from this? Where's the R? Where's the E? There's an E here. Colonel. That's like... Colonel popcorn? Popcorn? I blame the French. Colonel. Colonel. Actually, it does sound like colonel. Colonel. I say salad. It's salad, right? Salad. Color. I hate it here. Okay, anyways, if it can accept electrons. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest, Chief. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. Don't tell you that some hydrocarbons can be Lewis acids. This one isn't, but they're... I drink to forget, but I always remember. I'm drinking water, by the way. HF doesn't have any numbers on it, so it probably doesn't accept electrons. Oh, actually, you're right. If you write it out, this ion and that anion. If fluoride is in group 7, so that's a perfect. What do you call it? The one where they're all filled. A filled valence shell. So it's not this one. What is this? Carbon chloride? What group is chlorine? Fuck, where's my data booklet? It's also group 7. Carbon is group... Fuck! Okay, I don't know what we're on, so I'm just gonna say D. Because it says CC. And I like CC from Code Geass. There's no hydrogen, so it can't get... I don't know why I made that noise. But this one has no hydrogen too. I think it's probably A. Okay, fine. I'll take your word for it. Take your word for it. Oh my god. What the fuck is a conjugate base? I know conjugation in Spanish. I is a. You is as. He, she, it. He, she, it. Fuck, I can't write. He, she, it is also a. Fuck goes out. As, or is it an? As, almost ice. I don't fucking know. Hiku! Hiku! No! No! Hakun. CN 早上好，如果现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。Hiyo. Ohio. Oh my god, wait, I figured it out! I figured it out! Oh my god! Ohio mention! Dun 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 dun. Okay, it's gotta be D. It's gotta be D. I got this. Which electrolysis! Come on, let's go, boys. Which product will be obtained at the anode when molten NaCl is electrolyzed? So... kind of look like tampons. I remember they made us draw these, and I always thought it looked like tampons. So molten NaCl, so this is the anode, this is the cathode. Yeah. What was it? Red? Looks like Cinnamoroll face? How? Isn't Cinnamoroll face just like... Like, it just looks like that. Wait, let me look at my Cinnamoroll. Does he have a ribbon? No. I don't think he has a ribbon. But this is what Cinnamoroll looks like, right? Shout out Tolby. Shout out Cinnamoroll. So what is the, you know, the short, what was it? Red. For some reason the only thing coming to mind is red car. I don't was it red cat? Red cat? Red red cat! Because reduction happens at the cathode! Red cat, right? Red cat! Yeah! You know, you see? Red cat. Red cat. Let's find a red cat. Here's a cat. It's not really red though, but like you get what I mean. Red cat. Core memory unlocked. Okay, so yeah, because reduction happens at the cathode. Oh, you can't see the. I'm sorry. Here it is. Red cat. So if reduction happens at the cathode, red cat anox. Anox? Anox? You have anox? Okay, so if the positive... Okay, fuck! Let me write! Let me cook! If the positive side... That means all the negative ions are gonna be here. And the positive ones are gonna be there. So at the positive, you have... It's gotta be either one of these. Chlorine gas would just be C. You're supposed to write it as this, right? Chlorine 2. So it should be C. Like you can't just have you can't just have chlorine on its own. So it's gotta be chlorine gas. All right, let's fucking go. We are acing this shit. All right, we're acing this shit. This is how. Yeah, we are unlocking these memories together. All right, chlorine should be electrode, nan. What? Mama. I don't know. Whereas oxidization occur in a voltaic cell. So again, going off of red cat reduction happens at the cathode. So oxidation occurs at the anode. So it's gotta be either A or B. And the red cat, okay. Reduction. The negative electrode is the... Hold on, okay. It tells us that the anode is a positive electrode here. So... A? Should be A, right? Cause... Wait, why does it say and? Isn't anode the positive electrode? What? What is a voltaic cell? Isn't the voltaic cell just the power source? Like the battery? Yeah, B wouldn't make sense, right? Like... Whatever. Let's just fucking weeball. Which factors affect the amount of product formed at the cathode during electrolysis of molten salts? Current, time, and charge. Like, okay, so current definitely affects it. I'm guessing time should as well, right? Charge on the... I'm just not sure about this one. I'm not sure about this one. A cell has a negative and positive terminal and an internal electrolyte barrier. An electrochemical reaction across the electrolyte creates your current electron flow. You use many big words, mister. Charge does affect redox? So should be all of them? Should be all of them? Because if you think about it, like, the higher the current, the more product you get. The longer you do it for, the more product you get. And this guy's saying the charge does affect it, so it should be all, right? It should be all. Alright. We're speeding through this. Last 10 questions! Last 10 questions! We're on the end stretch. Let's go! Which is not a requirement of the standard hydrogen... Oh my god. She's literally me. I don't know what this is. I'm going to be fucking honest with you. I have no fucking clue what this is. So, I'm just gonna say this one because it has the most text. And it's got a lot of words. It's got the most words out of every one of these. So I'm just gonna say it's C. What is the UPAC name of the following molecule? Hello, Himemiya. Hello. Good evening. I see you have finished your power washing. We're doing organic chemistry right now. We just finished electrolysis. Welcome. So, see... Bromine... Why are you doing this to yourself? This is my idea of fun on a Friday night. What do you mean? Wait. I think I should draw like this. Okay, so H C CH3 is organic chemistry. Yeah, I love organic chemistry. Orgo is fun. And then there's another one here. My diagram's really shit, but you know what I mean. Like you get what I mean. Okay, so now we can count. We can count which one is on. Okay, so 2 bromo. Actually, just it's only a smidgen tricky. I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my fucking best. It should be 2 Burma because the BR is on the second. It's on the second. Let me highlight it for you Zoomers who can't read. It's on the second. It's on the second carbon. So it's gotta be either. It's gotta be either. Shit, sorry. Either A or D. And let's look at the. So this. It's on the 3rd one, and ethyl. Okay, ethyl is 1, right? Ethyl is 1, and methyl is 2. See? And there's 2. There's 2. There's 2 of these. There's a 2 chain. Yeah, a methyl is 1, ethyl is 2. Shit! I'm sorry. I'm a little stupid. Ethly and methly. Wait. I realized I think I should have drawn it differently. Okay, so you know how usually when you are looking at a chain of hydrocarbons, the full basically the ane, the butane, mentane, pentane, whatever, is the full length of it. So I thought that this would also hi Urka. We're doing chemistry. Care to join me? So I thought this was gonna be the full one. So I thought it was butane. But it's actually this, because this is the full chain, and this is on the 3rd, so it's gotta be 3-methylpentane. So this. We're doing it! We're doing. Hopefully, Irina helped unsnake. Yeah. Is she still fermenting her spit kombucha? Please tell me you got rid of it. Please tell me you got rid of it. The spitball is in the freezer? Not the spitzicle! Not the spitzicle! Oh, hell no. Fuck, dude. Who's IB? IB riding on your mama. IV is the name of the exam that I took in high school that gave me severe PTSD. Okay. Yeah, for science. For science. That's why I have my glasses on. This is a major product of the electrophilic addition of hydrogen chloride to propene. You know, good question. Good question. When don't you? Okay, you're right. I'm kind of blind without them, so okay. So propane is just, it's got 1 double bond. That's propane, right? Electrophilic. What does electrophilic? What does electrophilic have to do with this? Yeah, electrophilic sounds. Dude, what? Okay, wait. Let's. Can I move all this? Oh my god, it's all like individual parts. I think we need more space. So, from my recollection, my recollection, this is how you're supposed to write it, right? So, add HCl. Oh my god, my pencil... It's so thick! She's so thick! I can't write! Fug! And then, there's some shit that you have to end up writing. Electrophilia? When you are sexually attracted to lightning. Something with electrons. I remember you're supposed to like, okay, so you break the double bond. I think you break the double bond, and then so it becomes. Oh my god, HLP helipapag is. You kind of feel like my tutor. You remind me of my tutor. So you have that, and then you break the double bond. So that's just So the H goes on to the end, and the CL goes on here. See? Si, señor. He could be my actual tutor. I don't know if my actual high school tutor knows about VTubers. Yeah. Si, señorita. Markovnikov! That's his name! Markovnikov! I tutored chemistry and okay, that explains it. Okay, but what was the question again? What is the major product of the... Okay, so we basically just condensed this back into a... So, okay, so that's CH3... CLCH... And then CH3. See? Okay. Wait, fuck the brackets. Wait, what do the brackets mean? What do the brackets mean? Oh shit. Wasn't it guideline to 6? Yeah, you're supposed to take a minute per question because the whole paper is 45 minutes. Brackets are a spook, don't worry about it. Alright, bet. Okay, so let's take it off. We have our we have that. Okay, no. We can rule out the double bonds right off the bat. Because we already broke the double bond when we were adding the when we were doing the electro whatever addition. We're way past that. Don't worry. I'm special. I'm special needs. I require more time to finish my exam because I am Hime brain. So we've got our group. I'm guessing it should be B then. My intuition tells me that it should be B because we have CHCl and then CH3. Dish. She's doing it slowly to ensure that for... I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what grade I'm gonna get after this. Alright. We're almost there. Which alcohol would produce a carboxylic acid when heated with acidified potassium dichromate? Is it dichromate or dichromate? Blah, 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 blah. I can't fucking... Butan lol. You know, the only reason I know about, like... The only reason I can remember the penta means 5 is because of League. When they go like, pentakill. A dichromate. Okay, carboxylic acid is the one that goes like, it goes like coo, right? It's not cooch. It's just coo. When heated with You know what? We're oh right, sorry, the R group, which is basically just the rest of the fucking chain. Why is my pen fucking up, bro? Let me make it a little bit thicker. There we go. Potassium dichromate is an oxidizing agent. You can oxidize an alcohol to get oxygen by itself. I'm gonna pretend I understood that and go with B because it says lol. And I think lol is funny. Buten lol. And also matches up with what we were talking about, League of Legends. So I'm gonna say B. What the fuck is aprotic? It sounds like necrotic. Doki doki waku waku. Aprotic definition. Acting as a incapable of acting as a proton donor. Lacks protons, so not acidic. Okay, so... Aprotic? Aprotic? So, okay. It can't donate protons, so it can't be A because A has 2 to donate. It can't be C either. Wait, actually no, it could be. Let me think about this. Let's draw all these out. Because why not? Okay, C6. C6 R5. C6 H5, huh? 1, 2, oh fuck. 3, 4, 5. What, do we got some double bonds in here? We got some double bonds in here? Is that what's going on? I don't know what I'm doing. Is a hexagon? Oh my god, wait, how are you supposed to draw that? Wait, C6R5? Do they have it here? C6H5. Oh my god, Canva. Oh, yeah, it does have the double bonds. Okay. So. Is this thing C? And they have the CH3 group. Seems very stable. Well, if you look at me, I seem very stable on the outside, right? I look like I have my shit together on the outside, but on the inside, I'm fucking dying. You forget what a hexagon looks like? No! No. What do you mean? An anime girl on the internet, you can't be stable. That's actually not true. I know a couple VTubers who are like they're so normie in terms of like their mental health. Like sometimes I'll talk to them and I'll be like complaining. I'll be like, I literally want to kill myself right now. And then they're like, no, don't say that. You have so much to live for. What's wrong? You can talk to me, honey. I was like, she doesn't remember because League doesn't have a hexa kill. It's joke. It's joke. Don't unhime. You're so hime. You know what? I generally don't. I don't fucking know. Wait, why did I circle A? It's not A. A is the one that it can't be. Okay. Aprotic. Hear me out. Aprotic. Aprotic. Did you see that? Oh my god. Did you see that? Say it ain't so. It's gotta be C. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. I will not go. Turn the lights on. Carry me on. Apricot. 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 Break out the red arrows for the... Oh, no, I got you. Where is it? I gotta make it, like, bright red. I got this, dude. I got this. If it's actually C, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill... Wait, I gotta put impact font as well. Where's impact? Impact. If it's actually C, I'm gonna shove my entire foot into my mouth. Mark my words, I will eat my socks if it's actually C. C in this economy? Crazy. Which statement is not correct regarding benzene? I remember benzene, isn't it like it's also a heck... Oh fuck. It looks like that, right? A funny ring. It looks like a condom. It looks like a condom. And then each part has a... Why would you say that? Cause it's funny. It's like that because there's no single double bond. It's just all like a planar ring. There is a planar ring. So that's true. It's planar. The planar ring just means like all the energy is like shared within the same bond. Like it's just vibing all together, right? Say so, princess. Condom? What's a condom? What? What's a condom? I don't know. Planar is just a shape of... Oh wait, okay, no. This thing is the delocalized electron ring. It's delocalized, right? What? Condom? You mean Gundam? Gundam? Okay, so it's not B. I somewhat remember the 1.5. I remember the 1.5 bond order for this thing. So I'm gonna take a shot in the dark and say C. Cause all of these are true. So okay. Oh my god, we're almost at the end! We're almost at the end! Which compound can exist as cis and trans eyes? Oh my god, wait, is this biochem? I think this is biochem. Stereochemistry. I don't I've never seen this box in my life. I don't know this, dude. I've never seen this. I've never seen this box. Biogenetic studies. Pack it up, Skill Squad. Pride Month's over. Why is the... Clearly, they're waiting for me to take it. They want me to take the box so badly. That box is named Frank. I've never seen this man in my life. Hold on. Let's ask cis and trans isomers. Why is it in all caps? Cis and trans isomers! Concerns a space. I vaguely remember this. Yeah. Like it's either all on the hydrogens are on the same side or on different sides. Yeah, like if it can be mirrored. Okay, so you know what time it is? Let's draw some hydrocarbons. Oh shit. One, two, three. Yippee. So that's A. Mirror images. You're right. Chiral carbons. Chiral carbons. It's all coming back. Okay. I feel like it should be. I don't know what the box is though. I have no idea what the box is. Is this lost? Is the box just... Is it just like that? Is that what the box is? That's just 4 C's. 4 C's in a row, but what's... What's? Are they all double bonded? Is that why? Wait, no. It doesn't even need that. It's just all double bonded. Because that's already 4 bonds, right? Except for this guy. What the fuck is up with this guy? Is that what it is? Wait, can you see it? Let me check my OBS. I need to move my fat fucking head. I'm sorry. Let me move all this over. You see that? I don't know what I'm cooking, and at this point I'm too scared to ask. Anyways, let me finish that one. What was it? See. Single bond? Wait, why is it single bonded? It has to have 4. It has to have 4, doesn't it? Why is it single bonded? What? The remaining bonds are... So CH2s? Is this a CH2 group? Wait, there shouldn't... Okay, so... We look at this. Cis means they can go on the same side, trans means they can go on double side, so... Technically, we can put this... Like, we can move that over here. If we wanted to. and that would be a trans isomer, right? Like this is in the cis form, and then in the trans isomer form, it would be this. Not quite. Nande? But it's just a square, right? Cass, what the hell are you doing? You lost me like 4 minutes ago, Bantusuke to eyes. I don't know. I don't know. Don't think they can change suddenly. Is that because... Bros, I have no fucking clue what's going on. Then would it be B? No, because this is CBR2. It has to be... They have to be like on the same side. You can't put the BR there and the F bit and the F there. Like you can't have that. So it's not B. So okay, I'm just gonna guess C. Yeah, because it can't move. Can't move anywhere. I don't know what the fuck this is, but I'm just gonna go C. Oh my god! Is this general chemistry notation? Okay, we're like 2 hours over time. How should a measurement of 5 grams from a balance be recorded? So if you have two decimal points, using chat to cheat. If chat was gonna help me on my exams, I think I get a worse score. I might get a worse score. If they record it like that, then it has to be like that, right? Plus or minus an error margin of however many decimal points there are. I'm gonna say B. Isomers mean... I think isomers is like same chemical formula, different configuration. You match your decimals. Okay, we're almost there! Let's fucking go! Alright, the dotted line represents the formation of oxygen from the uncatalyzed complete decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Which curve represents a catalyzed reaction? So, a catalyst basically helps you reach the same threshold, but just faster, right? So wouldn't it be B? Okay, easy. Last one! Which can be identified using infrared spectroscopy. I did my IA on spectroscopy. I fucking know this. It's functional groups. It's gotta be functional groups. Molar mass, nothing to do with it. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Stop the timer! Stop the timer! He was on the spectrum. Indeed. I am a little special. Okay, let me find the... I'm gonna open the I'm gonna open the mark scheme, and I'm going to put it on screen. I'm gonna put it on OBS. And then we will go through our answers. I don't know why this is one thing that I do remember, because I spent like so long writing my IA on this shit. Alright. Pencils down! Pencils down! I believe you. Okay, let's see what grade we'll get. Let's see what grade. This is a group effort, okay? A group effort. Let me... Okay, here's the mark scheme. Can you guys see this? Wait, I'll put it behind my head. Where is my model? There we go. Okay. All right. Let's get our green pen out. It's gotta be green. Green pen. I didn't realize this is a real test. Life is a test. Actually, it should be red pen. It should be red pen. Usually mark with a red pen, right? Okay. So 1A, okay. 2A, okay. We're getting there. I told you, have faith. Have faith. We got this. 3 is D. Okay. Alright. Let's fucking go. Red pill or blue. Okay, this is where it starts getting tricky. Ground state electronic. Okay, 4 C. Alright. I remember the S1D5 thing. Okay, we're on a good start. We're on a good start. 5 B. Okay. We cooking. Hime Gaming. Which disguise an island of Bismuth? 6 C. Let's go. I think we guessed C at first, and then we went back and thought about it. We thought about it and we reasoned it out. You got a PhD. Which series was an Adam? Okay, 7. Oh shit, 7 is D, isn't it? That says D. Uh-oh. Okay, that's our first wrong answer. Stop the count! The 40-40 dream. It's okay, bro. We still believe, okay? Let me crop the answers so we can see more of it. Okay, 8 B. Fuck! And I was so confident on this as well. I was so confident. Is chat helping you cheat on the midterm? No, we're just doing a past paper for shits and giggles. I was thinking, oh my god, there's so much writing on this page. Okay. 9 B. Okay. Alright. 10 A. Fuck! I think I guessed this one. Hi, Xiaomi. Yes, I will feed you after I finish marking my papers. 11 B. Let's go. I think we guessed this one too. We got a pair of balls here. 10 you're gonna revisit? Oh fuck. Well, I will just mark it as nothing circled. It's called off-ball principle in English. Oh. Transition metals always lose their s orbital electron. That's right. Okay. We keep that in mind. Which species has delocalized electrons? Okay, this is where my big brain comes into it. Electrons. See, there's multiple here. So clearly it has to be D. And it was D! It was D! Easy, bro. Easy. Okay, this is where I did the Oshi, what's it called? Analogy. How many carbon atoms? 13. 13 is A. Okay. Let's go. 14 B. Fuck, 14 is A. Okay, I didn't really understand this one either, but whatever. Owarieda. What would the English equivalent of Owarie be? Because Jowari, you can say as it's Jover. But what would the English equivalent be? Riddle me this. What's the enthalpy change? What's this? 15? D? Okay, we guessed this I think we took a shot in the dark at this. 16. Where's 16? 16 is also D. Okay, okay. Entropy decreases because we're going from a gas to a liquid, and enthalpy decreases because someone said so. It's ovary. That sounds like ovaries. Like. Yeah, ovary sounds sus. It's ovary. Stop! In French, it's au revoir. Actually, that sounds kind of good, but we do not associate with the French here. All right, 17. A. Okay, all right. This came into clutch. 14 is Q1 equals Q2, so you could... Okay, I don't fucking know what you're talking about. 18. Forever 18. C, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I was thinking like it wouldn't change in volume because there was no gaseous product. So it wouldn't change. Leah was right. Wait, was she right for this one? Leah's a genius. She's a fucking genius. I just remember the weed rocks. The weed rocks. Hello, Somi. Hello, Yomi. Okay. 19. 19D. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, because energy has to be... It has to match the activation energy threshold in order for there to be a reaction. So it has to be all of them. You give a hair pat. Here you go. Here's a pat from Tamago. And you go. Hime tensai. First order reaction. It's the proportional one. So 20 B. Yeah, let's go. 21. I don't fucking know. 21 is D apparently. I don't remember anything about this. Yeah, I'm smart. 22 B. Fuck, I fucking guessed this as well. 23 A. You guys lied to me. You said there were two B's. There's two B's in Gibbs, so therefore it has to be B. You lied to me. Racking up those. Okay, no. We'll count it at the end, and we'll calculate our grade based on the grade boundaries. All right. Why you trust that luck? Because it worked. It worked before. It worked before. So. Okay, for this one we played Harry Styles and we saw which one reacted. Apparently it's this one. So we got that wrong as well. Honestly, everything about this unit's thermodynamics I completely forgot. So this one we chose A because it looks like the Among Us. We were like, there's an imposter among us. So 25. Let's go! Let's go! Thank you, Among Us. Thank you, Among Us. Always see, in the Among Us we trust. In the Among Us we trust. Chat helping just lowers the score. See, if I apply my big brain reasoning, then I get answers correct. But when I apply your big brain reasoning, where's the fucking Gibbs one? When I apply your big brain reasoning, I get the wrong answers. So clearly, I should just rely on my own big brain. Among Us is always right, exactly. Okay, 26. 26A, let's go. I don't remember our reasoning behind this, but we got it, so let's not worry about it. Okay, 27. We put D because Ohio. It's C. Boring. Boo. 28. Red cat. Here, I can also. Red cat! Okay. I was gonna do CC because of code GIS. Wait, is this... Oh, right! This one I won because of... Okay, fine. I'll let you guys have this one. I'll let you guys have this one. 28. C. Okay, we got this. Red cat with smart glasses. Yes. Actually, wouldn't red cat be 𝐒𝐚𝐤? 𝐒𝐚𝐤 popcat? Where does oxidation occur in a voltaic cell? 29. It's B? But I thought the positive electrode was the anode. Okay, someone said some big brain explanation in the chat that I didn't understand. So fine, you can have that one. You can have that one, but just that one, okay? Just that one. 30. 30 is D. Okay, pretty easy. 31. I put this one because it has a lot of letters. Is the imposter. And surely the imposter reasoning hasn't failed us yet, right? So it's gotta be C. 31. Fuck, it's A! Okay, Twas me. Yeah, it's probably you. It was the least letters! God damn it! I should have gone with the least letters because she can't fucking read. She can't fucking read. So this was the imposter. Sus. Okay, this is where things get fun. 32 D. Okay. I love organic. I love Orgo. 33 B. All right, we got this. We got this. Meemaw still got it. Peepaw still got it. 34. I put lol because I put B because it says lol, butanol. 34 is B. Let's go. A protic. No way. What? 35 is fuck. The clickbait didn't work. I should keep getting away with it. Okay, I didn't get away with it here. Vine boom. 36. We did this from process of elimination. C. Let's go. Let's go. 37. I tried drawing it out. I didn't understand shit, so I just guessed. C. Okay, okay. So you can just make this one fuck off over here. You can just do that? That's crazy. That's crazy, dog. Tick. 38. Okay, this one pretty straightforward. B, yeah. And B as well. Okay, easy. Last question. Let's go. Okay, now let's count how many that we got wrong. Let's count how many we got wrong. Okay. I think it's easier to see if I... Actually, no. Okay. So, out of 40, we have 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, fuck. 31, 30, 29, 28, 28 out of 40. So 28 out of 40. That's 70%. And let's see. IB higher chemistry grade boundaries. Okay, we pulled a 6. We pulled a 6. We pulled a 6. Let's fucking go. C's. Okay, no, 6 is not just a C. 6 is like a B plus. Okay, 6 is like a B plus. Let's go. We got 6! Let's fucking go! Yay! I got 5 back. I think I also... We just scraped a 6. I also just scraped a 6 in my finals. We are now officially scientists. Yatta! And don't forget, grade boundaries shift every year depending on how shit everybody does. So, yeah. Don't worry about it too much. I'd be barely passing. Yeah, I feel like in my school, this would be barely passing as well. only a little bit cheating. Yeah, just a little. Cold test with no prep. Yeah, see? Still got it. We still got it. We still got it. Hime Tensai! $28. Hime Tensai! Let's go. Alright. Now, it's getting kind of late, so I think it's about time we raid over to somebody. I think I should be the last person still streaming in Face Connect, so I'm gonna see if there are any friendos still alive. Tons of people cheat on it IRL. How do you cheat on an IB exam IRL? In my school, at least, people were like super anal about it. Like they were super like they make you like bring in clear water bottles, clear pencil cases, put everything out. You're not allowed to have I don't think you were allowed to have like baggy sweaters. You had to have like sweaters that stuck to your arms, so you couldn't hide anything in the folds of the clothing. And that you can stash your notes in the restroom. For us, the restroom, I think like after every single exam, before and after every single exam, they would go in and check every single cubicle. Like they had like standardized cubicles and shit, so it was weird. Nobody said anything about cavity search. Maybe like not a cavity search or a secret wiretap. Yeah, our school was super you know, you have to empty. You weren't allowed to have anything in your pockets. Like you can't wear baggy clothing. You have to wear like either leggings or like jeans that showed like you had nothing in your pockets. Okay. But let's see. If you get past that, you probably deserve... Yeah, like, the amount of effort you put into cheating, you could have just, like, reinvested it into studying. And it would have helped you so much more. Hillary, hello, Spider-Man. God, Crash needs sleep. Thank you, and thank you for your help! I think maybe next time we'll do biology. We'll do a bio paper. Let's do a bio paper. This is actually more fun than I expected. I can't believe this is my idea of fun now. This is fucked up. This is fucked up. But I got 6. Nice! I think I got a 5 at first on bio, but I sent it in for a remark because it was like 1 point off. It was 1 mark off of a 6, and I ended up getting the 6. I will cry complimentary if you... Oh wow, free Tamago tears? Crazy. Put the cheat sheet in your shoes and pull it out when you go... That's true, but it's kind of hard to like make a cheat sheet that has everything that you need. We got ins and the outs of Krebs cycle is nothing. We're gonna go super in depth, alright? Let's fucking do this. Okay, I am going to raid into... Oh god, okay. I will raid into Peo-chan again. Yukinoshita Peo, again, she is super cute, absolute sweetie. She's playing Holocure today, so she just... If you're sleepy, go to sleep. If you're still awake, tune in for some cute fairy sounds. She's so cute. Cute mouse pointer. Thank you! You can actually download the mouse pointer. I forgot where, but I think I released the cursor, the pixel cursor, for everyone to use free of charge. I'm sure if you go on the Discord, someone will tell you where to find it. Oh, the Valentine's Awards. Yeah. It's somewhere in the community. So if you want to use the cursor, it's in the Discord somewhere. But yes, thank you for coming to tonight's study stream for free. See, thank you for. Oh, Somi, would you like to say something? Meow. Meow. Thank you for coming to tonight's stream. I will see you. I'll see you on Saturday. On Saturday, we're gonna have our weekly calisthenics stream. Our stretching before bed for me. Stretching in the morning for you guys. And then we're gonna have our Gen 2 collab. I think the waiting room should be up soon. If it's not already on Iri's channel, it should be up soon. But keep your eyes posted for that. And I'll see you guys then. Yeah, nap before the collab. I was thinking I might sleep during the day tomorrow. Like I'm gonna stay up as late as I can, maybe until like morning my time, and then I'll sleep during the day. So I'll be on burger time by the time that the collab comes along. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys then. Thank you for coming tonight. Bye! Good day, man!